Happy full moon, everyone. It's the beautiful Leo full moon, and full moon means it's time for the candle reading for my new moon hearth service. We lit these beautiful candles on the new moon 2 weeks ago for 13 very, very, very special clients. And we burned these candles for the intention of having breakthroughs, having mental breakthroughs, clarity in thought, new ideas, confidence, success, all of those things. So you can see how differently each of these candles burned. And today I'm going to meet with these 13 people and show them their candles and do a candle wax reading, showing them the differences between the candles. Like, how were they different? What does it mean? What does it mean for their spell? What do they need to work on next? Today, Saturday, the full moon is also the time that the next new moon hearth service reservations open up at 12 noon today. 12 noon today is going to be the time, 12 noon Pacific time is going to be the time that the new moon hearth service for February reservations open. That will take place on the new moon, but the reservations open today. If you would like to be in on this, you will want to get over there, hightail it over to Parlor of Wonders, go to services, and check out the new moon hearth service, because I will tell you, last time we sold out in a matter of a couple of days, and this month is a heart healing new moon service. We're in a Pisces new moon this month, Pisces new moon, Pisces sun conjunct, and that means it's a beautiful time for doing work of healing, cleansing, anything emotional, clearing up those channels. If you have a broken heart that you're trying to heal, if you're trying to reconcile a relationship, if you're trying to heal someone's heart from their own broken heart so that they can love you fully, this is the time to do that work, that new moon in Pisces. So whether you do the work with me at the new moon hearth service or you do it yourself, you will want to take advantage of that beautiful opportunity. Anyway, new moon hearth service information is on my site, Parlor of Wonders. Under services, look for new moon hearth service, and look at these amazing, gorgeous candles that we did for our January new moon. They are so, so, so beautiful, so different. I can't wait to do the candle wax readings for everyone in this group service. All right, everyone, have a beautiful, beautiful Leo full moon today. Enjoy, radiate, shine your light. It's that time, Leo full moon. Enjoy every minute of it. Have a gorgeous day. Bye-bye.